Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we've got a handy tutorial for you, especially if you're looking to free up some space on your Samsung Smart TV. We're going to show you how to delete apps on your Samsung Smart TV quickly and easily. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Step 1. Navigate to the app section. The first thing you want to do is grab your Samsung Smart TV remote. Once you've got that in hand, go ahead and press the home button. This will take you to the main menu. Now, using the navigation buttons, scroll down to the app section. This is where you'll find all the applications currently installed on your Smart TV. Step 2. Select the app you want to delete. Once you're in the app section, locate the app you want to delete. Use the arrow keys to highlight the app's icon. Once the app is selected, press and hold the Enter button on your remote. Step 3. Delete the app. A menu will pop up with several options. Look for the Delete or Remove option and select it. You might get a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to delete the app. Go ahead and confirm. Conclusion. And that's it. You've successfully deleted an app from your Samsung Smart TV. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference in freeing up space and organizing your Smart TV interface. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or other tech topics you'd like us to cover, let us know in the comments below. Subscribe to Smart 4 Home for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy streaming.